Everyone, my name is TastefulRobot1523 and welcome to another Scratch tutorial. This time we're making a Pac Man game. So let's first get our sprites. We can just use stuff from here. Let's use the night and downscale them a lot. Okay, and then like bats. No, we'll just use one actually. And downscale him too. Next we'll need to make the maze. We'll just make like black lines around the outside maybe. Move that down. There, and then just making a maze. You can make whatever you want. I'm just doing something nice and quick to do this. Okay. So maybe something like that. So we'll call it the maze. And of course save frequently so you don't lose your work. So now we gotta, let's actually make the move. So the night is going to be the same thing as in my earlier tutorial, how it's the forever and then the four ifs. If key up pressed, key down pressed, left arrow pressed, and right arrow pressed. Well, it's not going to be the exact same, because we're going to have them point in that direction and then move, so that way it actually looks better. So, point in direction. And what's nice is it kind of tells you for you, like, what direction they're pointing, so you can do that with the appropriate arrow keys. So, point in that direction, point down, point left, and then point right. But also, so now we gotta add the move 10 steps. Okay, so now if we hit play, we can move. But look, he's upside down on some parts. So we do not want that because that looks really bad. So, well, but there's an easy fix for that. All you do is go info, like hit the I when your night or whatever you're using is selected, and you change the rotation style to back and forth. Now it won't do that. So see, so he'll turn back and forth, but he won't like freak out and be upside down and stuff. So now he looks way better. Now and then let's set a constant place that he starts at. So when flag clicked, go to, well, let's just start him there. So hold on. Okay, go to x minus 1, 196, and then y 11. So he will always start there at the beginning, no matter where he was at the end of that. Now we'll do the bat. So the bat is when flag clicked forever is going to point. He's gonna ignore all of the walls in the maze because he's like a ghost or something. But he's going to always point toward the night and then move forward 10 steps. So he's always going to be tracking the night. So here, so it's going to be a lot tougher like that. Although a thing that'll make it better is it's a little slower. So your game's actually possible. But then you also need to set his location at the start. So we'll start him right there. So then he'll go to x39, y minus 1. And you can always set his rotation style to that if you want also. And so then he's chasing. And right now when he gets on you, he just freaks out, but you're faster than him, so you're able to get away from him anyway. Okay. So that's good. We need to do the maze. We don't even really need to have any scripts in the maze. We can just have it through here. Although if you wanted to have scripts in the maze, you could use a variable to do the same sort of thing as we did in the previous tutorial on like how it sends it the against wall or whatever. You could do that. I'm not going to. I'm just going to do it inside this so I don't have to use a variable. So we're going to flag click forever. Now, this one we are going to use variables for. This is just like to make it impossible to go through the walls, because in other versions you just have to like run into it really hard and stuff. So let's just make this variables safe x and safe y. Okay, so now we're gonna forever if not touching the maze, then we set safe y and safe x to the the knight's x position and his y position. And if it is touching the maze, then it's going to go to safe x, safe y. So let's try that. So now he cannot go past through the walls. See how he gets stuck? Now, I kind of screwed up on the maze, so I have to make him a little smaller, the knight a little smaller. So that way he'll fit through all the gaps, but if you built yours correctly, then it shouldn't be too big of a problem. So we've got that now. So now he can't go outside of the box, and he can't run into any of the walls. Now we've got to add a way to win. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to paint a new sprite. We're going to call it coin, or whatever you want to use. It's up to you. And you can just like do like yellow coin and make a dot, just like that. And then you can downscale it. And then what you can do is you can right click on the coin and duplicate coin for coin 2, and then duplicate coin 3, and just align them however you want. 4, 5, and 6, and so on, until you have a good amount of coins just spread out, so that way it's challenging. So I'm not going to do as many as I usually would, but I'll just do one last one here. So just all those, and then the scripts for them, it's when flag clicked, show, and then forever if touching the knight, then hide. Now we're going to need a variable, so we'll say score. and so it'll change score by 1. Not forever. Oh wait, hold on. Sorry, my bad. That was totally my bad. It needs to be wait until, not forever loop. So wait until touching night, then hide and change score like that. Sorry. My bad, guys. And so then you can just duplicate the scripts and left click on all the different coins. Actually, yeah, it would have been better to do that before I made so many of them. Okay. But whatever. Because I've done way more than this of the same repetitive thing over and over again in my Five Nights at Freddy's 2 game. It was a lot of coding, and a lot of doing things like that over and over and over again. Yeah, there's no way for them to move, so you don't really need to set them as long as you don't drag them along with your mouse. And then you want to, if I clicked show variable score, and then wait until, no, my bad. Wait until score equals however many coins you have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So wait until score equals 13. Then hide variable score, and then we'll make like a game win screen thing that we could do. So like fill it up with whatever color you want. I don't know. I'll just do black for now. And then you could always like make red or whatever color. We'll do white text. And like say whatever you want, like you win or something like that. And then you gotta go into the scripts. When flag clicked, hide. You don't want that blocking anything. And then you have it wait until, hold on, okay, score equals 13, correct? Where is it? Yeah, score equals 13. And then show and go to front to make sure it's in front of everything. So let's try it. So then there's the UN thing. Okay, but now we've got to make it so you can die. And also, huge thing right here. You got to set your score to 0 at the beginning. Otherwise it'll start you with more coins than you started with, and it will not work. So you always have to set the, like, your variables to, like, all of your variables in your games to whatever you want them to be at the very beginning. You got to set them when the flag clicked. Otherwise, yeah, they could just screw it because they're the same from the last game because you didn't take anything out of the bucket. So, okay. So now we gotta make a game over sort of screen. So we'll just paint another one, I guess, and just like, I don't know, paint this one white maybe with black lettering. I don't know. Just do whatever you want really for this part. And then game over. There. So then we'll just go into the scripts again. When flag clicked. Ugh. Forever. No. Wait until. And we're going to create another variable, which is called game over. And so we're going to start it actually with the bat. So when flag clicked. Oh my gosh. When flag clicked. Wait until touching the night, and then it sets game over to 1. Again, what should we do here? You set game over to 0 at the start, so that way, yeah, you're not losing everything. So you wait. So this one, you gotta hide. Wait until game over equals 1. And yeah, that needs to be uncheckmarked. And then it shows and goes to front. Alright, now let's try it. And I already lost. I'm that bad. Oh. If I clicked. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh. Oh! Ah! Hold on, that's kind of impossible. So I'll change it down to 6, but I don't know, maybe you guys can beat that. Okay, this is way better. No! Holy crap, I'm bad. Well then, if you've got any rage games, I guess let me know and I'll play them. Because yeah, I'm terrible. So anyway, that's how you make a Pac Man game. Thank you so much for watching.